Hello children, I am here to teach you about the mathematics subjects. Welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid channel. Myself Hina Patel going to deal with a 5th standard math subject. My dear children, I think so you are fine at home. Yes? Okay. So take care of yourself as well as the family members. Now you know the numbers. Yes, mathematics always deals with the numbers and operation. What are the numbers? Oh, you know the numbers still 100. Some are saying that 500. Okay. Today we are going to learn a large number. I will say you how to form a large number. I know only the numbers between 0 to 9. Do you know? Okay. Just we will see what we have to do with today's large numbers. Okay. So please open your textbook, your notebook, take a pencil, pen in your hand and sit in front of me. So we will start with our lesson, that is a large numbers. First we will recall what we had learned in a previous class. Okay. So you know what are the large numbers? Anyone? Okay, 99. Yeah, very good. Anyone? Yes, 999. Okay, these are the large numbers, you are right. But today we are going to learn about the large numbers, that is a 6 to 7 digit number. Okay children, first we will recall that largest 2 digit numbers are 99, then 999, that is 3 digit number, 9999, 4 digit, these all are largest digit numbers. So 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. Yeah. Then what is this is we had learned about the only 4 digit number. Now if you increase one more line here, so it is a 5 digit. This is 5 digit number. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 digit largest number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 7 digit largest number. How to read this number? To read these numbers, we have to insert a comma in this. So after we are in India, so we have to learn first Indian system. So we are inserting the comma after the 3 digit, after the 2 digit. So now you can read this. Yes, you can read this. This is what it is? 99,99,999. Very good children. Now I will give one small trick to you. How to find a smallest number? Very simple. When you add a 1 to 99, if you add 1 to 99, what you will get? 100. Yes. So this is my 2 digit largest number. When I added 1 or 1 is added to 99, we get a 3 digit smallest number. Similarly, what will be the answer over here? When you add 1 to 999. So this is 3 digit number. Your answer will be a 4 digit number. Am I right? 1000. So it is 4 digit number because we are adding 1. I will show you practically for the higher numbers. Suppose this is 6 digit number. What will be here? I will insert the comma over here after 3 digit, after 2 digit. This is 9,99,999. I told you to add 1. So you will get, by adding 1, you will get a smallest 7 digit number. So we will I will show you practically to you. 4, 5, 6 plus 1. So this 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry. This is again 10, 1 carry. This is again 10, 1 carry. This is again 10, 1 carry, because 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry, and this is 10. I have to put the commas after 3 digit, 2 digit. What is here? After 3 digit I had put the comma, After 2 digit I had put one comma, I got here it is 9,99,999, and what I got by adding, because this is a 6 digit number and I am getting answer as a 7 digit number, which is a smallest. Means in simple way we can say that when you add a 1 to any largest, that is 99991, you will get, if it is a 6 digit, you will get a 7 digit smallest number. So here we got a 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digit, because we had added to largest 6 digit number, we had added 1. Now you know this, how I had, in simple way I had given a trick. So if I will give some simple examples, suppose now it is 99, when it is added 1, so you will say directly it is 100, very good. If it is 999, what it will be? 1000, because I am having 3 digit number, I am adding 1 more to each, 1 more to each. So 999 will be 1000. 999 will be, now here we are having 3 digit number, we are having 4 digit number. Everyone, hope so everyone understood. So no need to do the addition, only just you have to, in a mind you have to add 1. When it is the largest 3 digit number, we will get a smallest 4 digit number. When we are adding 1 to the largest digit number. Now we will see a number name. Now everyone know what are the numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I know this much number. You students are knowing the number up to the 1000, 5000, lakhs. Yes? Today we are going to learn about 5000, 5 lakhs and crores also. Okay? So what this only we are playing with these numbers. What we do? We just rearrange this number. Just if I want to write any 7 digit number or 8 digit number, I can take any number in between this and I can form a new number. Yes, we will write one example here. Suppose it is 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 0 and 8. How many digit number it is? This is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digit number. So we are learning about first Indian system. So we have to put a comma after the 3 digit, and after the 2 digit we have to put the comma. Now this is your hundreds, this is your thousands and this is your lakhs. So how can we read this without putting the commas in between the numbers? We are unable to read the number, or we are unable to write the name of that number. So here what it is? 24 lakhs, very good. 36,408. Yes, you are right. I think so everyone is open, you had opened your textbook. Yes, I had taken each and every example from your textbook. So you have to practice at home, open each and every concept first, try to understand, listen carefully to my words, what tricks and magic I am going to give today. So everyone will pay attention what I am speaking and I am giving on the board. So each and every concept will be very clear. So here this is our 7 digit number. Now similarly we will for 8 digit number. Suppose it is 4, 8, 5, 3, 0, 0, 1, 6, 7 and 8. This is 8 digit number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 digit number. Now we have to know the number name of this. Then can you read this? No. Yes, you are right. I also can't read this because before writing or reading I have to insert a comma after 3 digit, after 2 digit, after 2 digit. Now I can read this number and I can write the number name because already you had learned in your previous class. So now what will be here? This is your 100, this is your 1000, this is your lakh, and this is your crore. Yes, yes my children, because we are learning today with 8-digit numbers or 9-digit numbers which are in crores. So now we can read this as well as we can write this number. It is 4 crores 85 lakhs 30,000 and 18, because we are having 0, 1, 8, this is in a ones, tens and ones place, so it is 18. Again I will repeat, please pay attention. Here it is 4 crore 85 lakhs 30,000 and 18, because we don't have in 100 place. I think so everyone understood this. Now we will see the place value chart, which will be giving a very easy concept to you people. Now without practicing the sum or concept, if you are not cleared, please do refer and listen to my words what I am teaching. Now here I had given a place value chart. So here we are having what I had in the brief I had explained. We are having a ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Now by seeing the places of that, now we are having 7 in crores place, 70, so it is known as 70 crore. Lakhs we are having 34 lakhs, so 3 and 4, 5 and 6 which is in the thousand place, so we say it is 56,710, because it is in 100 place. So in short you have to remember this ones, that is after that thousands, lakhs and crores, which today we are going to learn about the 8-digit and 7-digit numbers which is in the crores place. Now the question, very easy question is given there, place value of digit in red means what? Yes, you know that number. Yes, you can read it now, because it is given at 78 crores 36 lakhs. We don't have 1000, we write directly as 342. Now where is a 6 which is red in color? Where it is? Yes, one is 100, 1000 and lakh position. So we can write that it is a 6 lakhs, because it is a place value, we have to write that. Now in the second example, I had given one number in a red. Can anyone say me what will be the answer of that? Oh yes, everyone's concepts are clear, so you are ready with your answers, am I right? Okay my dear student, yes you are right, it is in thousands place, so it is 9,000. So everyone understood the what I had told. First you have to insert a comma after the 3-digit, 2-digit, 2-digit and 2-digit, so we can read or we can write a large number. Write the name in a place value chart and the number names. Now what are the numbers are given? The place value chart already we had seen. In short I will write here the place value chart. Here we are having as the ones, this is as the tens, this is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now we are having a first number there as 362412,250. I am unable to read. Yes, you people also. You student can't read this number, yes, because I had not insert a comma in this. So first what I will do, I will put in a place value chart. Here once I am having is a 0, then 5, then 2, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6 and 3. Yes, you are right. Now you can write the name of the given number as well as you can put in a place value chart and name it. Yes, now you can read this. Now it is a 36 crores, 24 lakhs, 12,250. Yes, you are right my dear student. Now another number which is given there, we will try to solve this one. Second one is given as 0 in the ones place, here is 2, here is 0, again 2, 1, 00 and 7. Now, what is the difference between these two? Yes, you are right. Here we don't have a 10 crores. We are having only the 7 crores. So, you will read that 7 crore. We don't have anything in a lakh. So, 7 crore directly will go to the 1000, 7 crore, 12,000 and 20, because we don't have in 100 place. So, it is 20. I think so everyone understood this concept. Just you have to put these values in a place value chart and you have to write the name of a given numbers. Now, write the numbers of following. Now, in the previous slide we had seen that it was given as numbers were given and we had written in the number name. Now, number names are given to us and we have to place in the value chart. Here place value chart 8 crores means I have only 8 crores. So, under the 8 it will be 8 crores. 32 lakhs. Here I am having 32 lakhs means which will be in under the lakhs. 32 lakhs 19,000. So, 19 I have written as 19,305. So, this is 305. So, what I had done? Vice versa. In previous slide we had numbers and we had written the names. Now, we are having the number name and we have to place in the value chart. So, first what you will do? You will write the place value chart first and read the number carefully and substitute the number under that place value. Another example we will see, it is given 79 crores. So, under these crores I have to go for 79 crores 80,000. 80,000. So, under the 1000 I have to go here 80,000 and 12. I don't have anything 100. So, I have to go under the tens. Here I have to write 12. Is this correct? No. I have to cover these numbers where I don't have a place values. I have to put it 0. So, here I am don't having 100. So, I am putting here 0. Even I don't have lakhs there. So, I have to put 20. So, after 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, now you can read this number is 79 crores 80,000 and 12, because we don't have a lakhs here and 100 place value. So, we are putting as 0. I think so everyone, this concept is clear. Open your book, you are having a similar examples in your textbook. So, practice this all sums, so your concept will be clear. Now, complete the pattern. You know pattern when you were in the small class, that is the nursery, LKG, you were having a pattern of pictures. But now you are grown up, so we are having a patterns of a number. Very easy? Yes, because it's very easy. Now, everywhere I had inserted the commas, so it is very easy to read the numbers and write it. So, complete the pattern of the numbers. Here what it is? 67 lakhs, 21,057. What you have to do? Just we have to see which number is changed in which place value. Now, here I am having very similar 67, 67, 21, 22. Oh yes, because next number when I will be writing will be now 23. Yes, you are right. And 057 is 058. So, what will be the answer? We will write here. It is 67, 21 is 057. This is the number given to us. Now, 67, 22, 058. We have to go for the next two number. So, we will write here what will be the next two number. here both these place value are same. Here is 21, here is 22. So, we have to change there. So, what I will do? 67, I will insert the comma. After 21, 22, I will write as 23 and 057, 058. So, here will be my 059. Yes, you are right. So, what I had done? Just I had seen the place values and I had just completed the pattern. What will be the next one? Yes, here in the place of thousands will be changed, that will be 24,000. In the place of 59 there will be 60. Yes, you are right. I will complete this. It is 67, 24. Yes, good. 0, 60. This is the pattern what we have to complete. In the second example, very easy it is as compared to this. It's here in the legs position, both our numbers are same. Even the 1000 we are having the same numbers, only in the 100 place we had changed. In this is 761, that is 861. Next number will be 961 and then 961 then 1061. Yes, you are right. Yes, so you understood this pattern, how to complete the pattern of a number just by seeing the places of that is in which number we have to change that number, because here already we have inserted the comma, so you can know the what are the places over here. Now expanded forms and write the place values of 3. Here already the number is given which is having a number as 3. So, we have to write the place value of 3. What is the expanded form? In the 4th standard, even in the 3rd standard, you had studied expanded form with small numbers. Yes, here we are studying a expanded form with 6-digit numbers and 7-digit numbers. Now, I will explain you what is the first one, because I had not inserted the commas. So, you can read by putting the commas. What will be the code after 3 digit? So, it is 3 lakhs. Yes, for the 3 lakhs, how many numbers of zeros we have to put? We have to insert 5 zeros. 3 lakhs, then 80,000. Yes, 80, then 5,000, 85,000, then 5,696. So, we will go for the second number. I will explain you in short how to write this number. And what is the place value of 3 in the first? Anybody? I told you to insert the commas after 3 digit and 2 digit. What will be the place value? Yes, it is a lakh. So, it is 3 lakhs. We will find out in the second question what will be the place value of 3 in the second question. Here we have to write first expanded form. So, what will be the expanded form of this? Yes, we write here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we are having a crore. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, I do not have anything here, I will write 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 60, I do not have in ones, so it will be in this way. So, what will be here? I want a place value of 3. My question is, you have to find out the place value of 3. Now, in short, I can say this is your 100, this is your 1000 and this is your lakh and this is your 10 lakh. So, what is the place value of 3 is? Yes, it is 3 lakh. In this way, you have to write a expanded form and the place value of the given number. So I think so everyone, just have a practice, because in the textbook we are having, and you can create your own number. How I am creating here own number, taking any digit between 0 to 9. Now compare the numbers. What is comparison? Yes, you know comparison. Yes, small, big. Yes, here also we have to see the numbers, comparison of numbers. How to compare these numbers then? First you have to read the number by inserting the comma and find out which is greater, which is smaller, or which is equal. Here first what we have to do? First we have to count the number of digits. How many digits are there in the first? Here we are having as a number is 7, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 1. I have to compare this. Here I am having 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Yes. Now I have to compare. First I will count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here I am having 7 digit number. Here I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Both are having a 7 digit number. Now before that I will go see the starting number. I can find out it is 75,000. Here I am having 23, sorry, it is 75 and there is 23. I can see this number and I can find out, because we are having a similar digit numbers in this comparison. Both are having 7. So which is greater? 75 is greater or 23 is greater? Okay, 75 is greater. So I have to put a greater sign towards this number. Now another one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now first what you have to do? First count the number of digits. Here also you have to count the number of digits. What are the digits here? Here it is very serial, it is 9 digit number. And what are the digits here? We have to count this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Both are 9 digit numbers. Can you find out which is greater here? Yes, you can find out. Here it is. We are having 1, 2 as a starting number. We are having 98 as a starting number. So this is greater than this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number. So by seeing the places and the values of chart, you can insert the comma and you can read it and you can find out which is greater or which is smaller number. Okay, children, today we had learned this, what a comparison the numbers and everything. So please recall what we had learned today in the class and practice the sum, create your own sum exercise and practice the exercise sum, and if you are having a doubt, we will clear in the next session. Yes, have a nice time. All my dear students, please do the work what teacher has given. Pay attention to the concept when teacher is teaching in the class, so each and every concept will be clear. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care of your parents. Thank you very much.